Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kyllaiñ jaga National Federation of New State kabalong ka Shatri jang ki South Liki kinhon ki Dawa ki Jylla bathamai haka tha jatay lamigi haka jing kundu ulang haka singi baar ka apkundai trip naitung arajar apusan hanong ba Shong la shim yakarai banit pinsngo jika Sorkar Pdeng halo ka jing Dawa Jylla bathamai ki South Liki kinhon ki kinthop ya ki Hill State People's Democratic Party narilum khasi bat ka Garo Land State Movement Committee narilum Garo jang Jylla Meghalaya Kyllaiñ Action Committee for Autonomous State na Karbi Anglong na Jylla Assam, balki Indigenous People's Front of Tripura na Jylla Tripura. President jang HSPDP ba KP Pangyang hakajing kran makilat patay kubor hadi malawai ka jingalang ulit ho bala shimru yakarai balet yakindo yo menteri ketanat kampo yeng ka Sorkar India wa Amit Shah ban IT ki dor khas Dawa Jylla yakabala benshan ha uku chairman unik man CH Marak. Leit horu bahau benai nopra araja aposan ke National Federation of New State kan sepinlong ke jinga Shong Kyllaiñ Myngngor hajantar mantar New Delhi kumla de pinstang hausnam arajar arpuar arajar arpulai terter.
Ngidon hangni ka kidikot ru jong ka Federation of New State. Te mata kasi ngila shim katuk ni kirai bangin yai pen Kyllaiñ ya ka jing yeng jongi jing trelang jongi jing Dawa jongi na la ka ta ki jong ki state na ka benta ban pne sa ila ka jing long tenrai ka jing long jeng lui ba per jong ki tribal ko northeast but kumjuru ya ka jing long la ka jong ka identity la ka jong ka tin ka thli te ni sutu bangim la ban yen tang hala ka jong organization te na ka daw ni badan ko ka northeast region ni le don lang haka shatri jong kan national state eviction haka baya baro kijing Dawa ke jongi ni yo ban ya ta kesan lang iwei ye iwei de mata kasi ni la bu bai karai kalong ma lengba ke ni jilang ta kasi ringkat bat ke federation bangin yo kalak ban ye kendu ya ka Sorkar India kamtam yo home minister jong ka re India jongi bangin yo ya ka bang bu ya ki memberandam ki jongi bat nila perkhat ba lakum nukum nungin yo hadin uni benai agos subanwan haki arsau bat absan trik chaneng ikwa ban yo appointment choki ban nila shani highway ni coachman jongi iba nickman ibulong coachman jong ka federation ringkat bat u secretary jongi iba Stalin ingti napo Karbi Anglong ba kin le appointment bat ka Sorkar India ba arpat ngi la ya rai ba kumjule malagasnam ha ubnai December inyo ya ka sit in demonstration kamut ka jing ya shonglang jungi baro kikenmun Dawa state ha nomba Delhi ha po jantar mantar kumbangila sedang nadu kasam arjar puar arjar pulai terter bahangtu ngin summit ika memberandam bat ngin krenru nala ke jong ki jing Dawa ki jongi ringkat bat ki flag demonstration ki bangin le antai ban pentip syak Sorkar India ni syakari India bangidon kini ki kenhun ban Dawa ila ki jong ki state pertama aka syakri jong ka National Federations of New States.
Federations was formed at the time of Telangana state demand and movement, and now we have in Northeast 5 federations in the members: Karbi, Garo, Khasi, Tripura, and Kuki. Oh, no, 6. Bodoland. And in apart from Northeast, we have Gorkha, Vidarbha, Bundelkhand, and Leit at present. We have this much members.
Okay. How many meetings have you had in the past? And coming together, do you think that the center will listen to your demand? And
we hope so. And we for Northeast, this for first time, this is the historic meeting we had in Shillong. but all national federations meeting was held in different place. In
Yes.
Tura also we had a meeting, and in Tripura, Karbi Anglong, Vidar, Delhi, Tripura, and so every year we had a national meeting. But for Northeast, this is the first time, and this is the historic meeting in Jylla.
We have this issue, the long-standing issue. This is not a new issue in Garo's Autonomous Council, as I've already spoken many times. It is a long-pending issue since from 20 years or 30 years. This has been coming. And now, because of this revenue, coal has been banned, we don't get enough revenue to run the council. And I'm not blaming anyone. Because of this overstuff also, we are having this problem. Now, we have been working it out for many years, and we have been concentrating on it. We had countdown to as many as 1,000 employees now, but it's just now reached for giving a salary to 2022. So we are having this still the problem of dispersing the salary. Yes. You have spoken regarding the burner, who is the loan BJP MDC who is moving. Yeah, we have not seen as of now. We have not seen any notification, or we have not seen any the letter from Governor Office, Government Secretariat. Once this reach to our office, we will discuss with EC, and accordingly the EC will act upon it. We are always open to talks. We are always open to any suggestion. We are always open to any criticism, so to say. Any resolution has to be taken in the interest of the public, in the interest of our people, in the interest of the Autonomous Council. For the reason, we are very much welcome. We have time and again we have requested them. We are not the only issue that this issue cannot be solved. We are solving this issue, and we are giving a salary as of now. We have given a salary of 41 months. Yeah, before us, when we first elected in the Autonomous Council, we come to know that they are pending of 32 months, and we have tried, and they are demanding for pay commission to be paid, and we have already paid last year. And we had agreed to pay this pay commission, and it's become a burden to the district council. As you has averred in Meghalaya, state of Meghalaya, we don't give this devolution of the funds within the state and the district council, as other district council has been doing. The state finance commission, it is already become an act. But as of now, the State Finance Commission has not been implemented, not been created, not been appointed the chairman. It is not been functional. So once it has been functional, we hope like Boroland is doing, Karbi Anglong is doing, Tripura is doing, Dimahasu is doing. We also hope that it will be great help to the district council if this devolution fund is been done. Yesterday also we conducted this eviction drive. We personally went to our bordering to Assam. We went to the council land there, where the illegal migrants, they even don't know their places also. They even don't know their origin of places. They cannot tell us. So we evict them yesterday, and we have given a notice for 2 months, or even 2 years, 2 or 3 years. But still they are residing there. So finally, as the issue is burning, we went there yesterday and we evicted them, and we already sensitized the areas, and we have the subordinate office. The Autonomous Council has subordinate office in the grassroots areas also, like Nokmas. They are the subordinate office of council. Gauburas, the headmen. We already instruct them, and they are reporting directly to us. They have a power. They have empower to check. They have empower to the designate, and they have empower to directly report to the authority. After getting the information, we will act on it. As of now, we don't get such things, but only some person has we have done yesterday in bordering to Gwalpara district, only in Kilapara or something Rungsa area, only 5 or 6 families they have been residing, and we have noticed it, and we have done the needfuls to them.
So you'll continue to do?
Yeah, if situation arises, we will continue to do it.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat Shongdor nadu saw po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba Shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata kawei ki sopti kadai kawei ki design tang naka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat namot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra